this is what a woman should do.
Well, it's not my responsibility, man. I can't do any other laundry. Can't be done. Will machine no.
One we are not talking about laundry, gini.
Kai tigi chawa dago wada. Ma itamni tin ko dare bed romantic chwal pi chwari. Because we can be romantic in any other ways.
Listen.
Wuna no polu ake ate ba? Wunjo acha garuti wahoni. Kai tamni TP. Baby beru date dog me lega cho pu ke talo date iko monu.
No coffee win come.
Listen,
the thing is, one power quero ni mono a woman should do her responsibilities. You see the reason as to why competing a daho kada ngwa therapy, you go la chora mo bino.
It dungi back here.
Chero dugi back at name. It is not, listen, it is not being disrespectful. A man, listen, Bella, listen, La cho, coffee win kong.
Your mentality will turn you to be
Coffee win kong. La cho ma wa dar na pa ne da ko be gang chaka wo diku win.
Pe ke lo daga mo me bero pini ni o mi rebel kamine ro cha wen ka wa palo ba ma ke rapa. No, understand. Check my young no
it's part of responsibility.
What responsibility?
It's fine.
If Dago can
what
do these things,
Bella, let's go one at a time.
You got that quality of a woman.
Okay, listen.
Can also do it.
All right, so for the 12 Tamibe television, kama ikametika ni watenda ye iyubmi kit mon kicho a kita pole kar wakareke cheng inone cheario duju wakati bore chabiata wenko nuwa beri kar menywako lok mano keme ikit mano daho romberi kama begin kila cho I ma megi well wati bome gulu akamene watiki recording studio in mane itila we in mirbe la we in magok den ay mogo tamio ni mono imetiki recording yiri moki studio irombi anti mone baspa kamene watiki producers mat gitigenrio watiki producer elkop achemon ki producer atups okay kita pole ka watimo kede nya Susan Diamond apati kena yubmi kid mon kicho koni bene berika mon min youtube wele ma mega ma ticket ge studio and of course wakele topic kada wakele topic ma mekwa kon ma bene ibeti kada mon me lupuwa nene beti kada mon me subscribing akidong mapi atake nene bene imina tama migi mono e comment section well afoyo ladies first is it any ebola umpe bella well afoyo the time Bella baby.
Yeah, afoyo
girl
Susan.
you're smart.
Yeah.
I'm not jealous, you know.
No, thank you. It's my nature, actually.
You don't get me, yeah. Maybe your name, I don't know you anymore.
Yeah, this time round, at time, me go ye.
And you, Bella, I don't want you to be offended. But can't you part with mama in Bella, yellow lawyer? And a you.
No, I understand.
You're smart anyway.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I understand. Thank you.
Thank you for coming through. And yeah, let's keep it up.
Yeah.
Iti guy, iti.
Yeah, afoyo Susan, afoyo Lawara Fred. Yeah, Tamibe TV. Afoyo luanga doctor na ye. Me abeti in this very topic. Makibikele wane. Yan muguno tama bebe.
Well, afoyo Bella.
Yeah, thank you.
We are at Duke, but Wilfred Coffee, my brother. How are you?
For I do a bear.
Iti mabe, ndian munyabe.
Okay.
You're looking good. It's been long, and
like
thank
always,
you for coming through.
By the way, like always. Yeah. So I'm really good, like always. Anyway, boy, uno tidi ni nero mo nya do try ngeo boy better. Naka ye mo ba? Be.
Ibola nang fe. It's fine. For you to K. Public karke topic. I'm here to in a karke topic. I want you to introduce to our viewers out there. Piani Benem, before we came here already no dong. Manna call when uberutie, ikena wani kidi.
Ti
no
Ramadan.
No.
Itami Ramadan.
Inyo. Ilwen kalibedi ngate monugui. But still, there is
no bilwen you ping Hong Kong.
NP.
Piani ki waje lokada.
It's well. That's one topic.
lok ma tie ye wi me ja tien ma per tek ko mer nyak ne tie chile ken ana kilu dako donc tit pa dako ka bino ganga ma chara an la cho ti che pol ma chel terugi gwaklo teno kidi mi jimu kene baro mer wane angol ma ka dako teru yara pi luak i chagar meno beru tit pa dako ana chero luak ko don pi koma ko pau umir ana wek baket kundo dako chero gam bien any auteur pi luako bien any is part of responsibility pa dako numero o gam baket du ker nyo gwak nyo besen nyo bapi kelo kidong tij pa dako ben mena ni tajama na Taiwan na mire boxa mire luako anticha melwa ko ma keken maleng maberno ka no twer no mer ke luaka luaka ba dong wana ni per tek pienti aram rotu ko maleng so an luako ko ma awe ko tajama na kuno awe ko baket kuno inon ke cher kuno ki pi manak mo donge nyong tajama na maleng ci duki baket girene gin mano time kinini wana rong lokati ka mer dugu chala way kono tele we ko na ne wi Susan wati nan chal no gwa ko bokelu wen but ana de way lokada ni an umir wek tajama na kuno umir wek baket kuno intiji me gam baket kilo ko tajama na maleng
bela
pingo gini petiti me kinini bien mon me kinini wi gidong peteni a wi olo inong cher ka luoke in fact badong kimere ibere ti pi luoke e che luoke tuki baket kade no gwa uluto mo dire chitiri pi luok badong pegamo dong baket penyo tajama na
manga no gubu ni tie ko ne nyono wa kan
anyoy ko arab gina be tek bir inyong tajama na ye
okay agamo afoy Fred for that topic afoy Susan alego ni winya
ay winyo
every time kinena tia charuloka no polkare adwa ko bidana ngej kid mayam no actually kwokere because what he actually walokle actually and all that
yes.
You get so mar ni adwa ko wange tutwal ni yam chan ni no daga ko pour gere daga ka pour en nganga ni Inyor queer ni machali ni daga pian yang be ne ma mane gi bergati mane neno e amane gi bergati mane nyin be ngo itamane lup ko tiana pian kirna ko poni kere enu chwala pilu ko gila cho ben mo chwala maliat madede neno e chwala pilu ko gila cho chwala bagita wele ke chabuna wengen char char ko no
actually pege choy ken
neno e pol dana me gang tel dar me po wa kwor lu ko pilu ko ma nyina ye chwala you get so enu bergati me pikar malaj wat pi la le ching ini gu kai leo ching la cho eti anana
yes
o time bena wai chani bena furi gain pa jo kana time ana folle e charo okay e charo kerga beri don lobo bino
wai boma kanye siti kama
kene
tieti
folle time e charo iboma kan ko beri don lobo bino dano gere dan lo ching yi sing ya pe gang food pe gere do you see the problem dan lo ga shower ngeyo yone dan lo ta lo repi lo ga chalo pi paka now lo ke we lo enini men chalo pi lo ke la choki ngane ana nen tal pe mo gere ben pe ye kai tigi ker ma chalo yun daxo tutwale bot mon mati gang chalo housewife okay
yes
chuari tiu por ke yen mete mo doctor enoni la cho bino ma food ben no po penyo chwalo lo ke o chi don yin mere you get wa ko chi lo come mine gina chamo yengoro beriten gang chier bok lok bare there's no problem there eno ka dago ma ben to you and kama gender equality bi bino yeni because you cannot expect me ni ana cher ka ti ku diko wa cher ka ti ka chel wadugu and me America duty jama chala ana dago yet you may also want 40% of my salary
One of local salary.
No. Understand what I'm saying. You want 40% of my salary new theater bomb new team ngoi but still you want me ni ane komani beati ni pil waka chwele kun an beati o mega chwalo. No my friend. I'm also tired. I'm gonna team a doctor mungu be no tita tek lo
kiri no da nga kiri la wara ganga la wara.
One way okay. What is it? Mungu be no ti pango art.
Ikele nga kwe.
Wati pango art la dir.
Anga por la wara.
Cho mo poiching montie.
One of lo kum cho mo poiching mon. But nane kom real man mo por da mati ganga ko.
Dago in la cho dago pe opini.
This is the reason.
Dago pe opini. Buinya ya na.
This is the reason mo wero. One mon making kane. We would take a dog down. Maybe because of a job.
But
we want to understand the real responsibility. One
of our responsibilities.
Why do you bring the issues of 40% of your salary?
Let Bella first finish, then you come.
The issues is about therapy.
I don't. I'm tired. I'm not a teacher.
Now.
I'm not your slave. I'm tired. If I have time,
that is not being slave.
I don't have time,
you are not a slave.
I'll not do it. If I have time, I'll do it. It's not a demand.
Plan according to your time. Whether you have work or whether you have what. Plan according.
As long as if you're a businesswoman, you're out there, yet he still wants to come back home ni eat him Jamie when yet you're also tired, please. Luakumi and rest as long as dektie obino luakome cham loke be weng eno. Peke lo daga mame beropini ni omiere ber kamine rok cha wen ka wapalo ba magikerapa. No, understand.
It's part of responsibility.
What responsibility?
It's fine.
If Dago can
what
do these things,
Bella, let's go one at a time.
Become that quality of a woman.
Okay, listen.
Also do it.
Bella, listen. Or for you
you cannot respect me by therapy.
It's well. I just want to chip in.
No.
Coffee, I will just request your comment, Thierry. Then you come in and you defend yourself as you you defend yourself as you want to defend. In that your responsibility, one young. So Bella is trying to come in. In could have been me, Kari, you're going to talk about. You gave us a responsibility already.
It's the topic on ground right now.
This is ABC. Madago mero team ka inde bi.
Anyone young, but Peggy Ditch, my friend.
Peggy Ditch, yeah. Okay, understand. It's very easy. Kedaro mapeti to do all this domestic work.
Now,
you get all these other things. It is very simple for her. Very easy.
Now you have already started contradicting it with the 40% of your salary.
Now listen.
We are saying the other part of your responsibility, not
Coffee
is exaggerating all
listen,
this.
the thing is, one poor quero, ni mono a woman should do her responsibilities. You see the reason as to why I compete in a daho. Kada ngwa therapy ni gwa la chora mo bino
dungi back here
chero dugi back at name. It is not listen. It is not being disrespectful. A man listen. La cho Coffee will come.
Your mentality will turn you to be
Coffee will come. La cho ma wa da na pa ne da ko berigan chaka wo diku win da ko berigan di ko kombetini. She's tired. Why don't I help her do this small thing? I carry the best and I bring it back.
Why don't you tell me that you cannot
you don't make that matter. You're so dense.
Common sense, very poor body.
Don't tell me you're so dense.
Common sense, what done in me go be repaired. Because tell me why you're arguing with a woman who has been home
doing all these things.
You get what I'm saying?
Of course, I'm angry. But food pero
serious.
Okay, let's Bella finish and then you come.
Very serious. Thank you. Kai tigi chawa dagwada ma itamni tin ko dare bed romantic chwal pi gi chwari because we can be romantic in any other ways.
Listen.
Una no po luake ate ba? Won jo acha garuti wa ni. Ke tam ni TP. Baby beru dit dog me na lega cho pu ke talo dit iko monu. Piene ni igang kenyu wano dan karachel. Ka in la cho itigi ke rumeti mo gimoni in your hygiene is your responsibility.
It's our responsibility. Our hygiene.
I can only luar la tiana tidi. Ti you people la tiana kerne kenyu timene ngone ni we.
It's our responsibility.
No, the thing is,
your hygiene is your responsibility. Please TP che luar ko mem challenge la cho.
Okay, no, ni besa mi odonku nti we akako.
Yes, okay, no, mi odonku na anda or la tini mo gami cha mo. Okay, thank you. Me ario. Lor me luar tajama. Jo ken kar tajama to box Carrefour bien dan ro bagi yang.
Yam cho ro Taiwan.
You get. So, ono luar ne bene protect to aliang chamne. Barika manong chon yang chot dugu yoto about ki. Me I don't do that shit. I don't.
Bello.
Luar boxani. Omera, why? Because tell me why in chair ka chot. Chair dunya en gi boxani ni.
Nge mediter.
Like oh god. No. No, just imagine, like imagine. Berchalo, it's the same thing, Susan. For me, there are winning kelo. Get a boyfriend more aware. Ni bergi shori more.
The same way.
Tu as no aloir be pas vourier.
Wow.
Okay. Gi wara mu kelo come carne. No, tu awenge wara. En boxani ni chiara udunyo kere ki kuno because kana udugu chao.
What do we chai?
Of course. Idugu ikele barni ana ya luare. Like. Secondly, ineno daga mon karuncho we will go itiere tele kom ngamoni. You have to release on your boxer.
Anytime me.
Itiere ba. Itiere ki miele ki squeezing you know mari dead. Iti nyang. It do kere bora like
Bella.
I am not going to take it. Please.
I want us to
onyo kami bi bolo boxane ye bol tirloak nyong mo ngabla ngab juwal wan pokoko.
Bella. I want us to
chwale chengtie wa chwale cheng.
America ma tem niang kong command ba? Pa kwer lokini.
Okay.
Era America ma tem niang command. Now, let's bring it in this way ni. In tiki la choy art. You tiki la choy kuni. Mauti art. La choy peti mu kuri jim makuberini you have been mentioning. Yes. Like kwale wako gi ngage gwak chot gi gwak ngarmo squeezing gi because those things can time pianino a man is like outgoers. He always go to clubs and spends some time with others. So ginere romo time. But you're real man. Maunyo moti art. And pero mo tim ginene pero mo terir peluak pero mo nyota jamane really
Okay. Berja wana nen ma anti lok imbe paniang.
Nyang pian I want you to know ni
tell me why you're still taking me back.
of course aramer in nyang ni you need to welcome ni it's okay I can do that I can nyota jama I can
Awa unika chawa.
It's not about chawa.
It's about
we need to
what?
understand this is what a woman should do.
You want to well is not my responsibility, man. I
Oh
can
my
do any
God.
other laundry.
Oh my
Can
God.
be done. Kiwilo machine no.
One we are not talking about kono laundry kono ngangagini. We need to understand the real life. Yes. Yes. Okay, keri ni bi tere laundry kono ngangagini. Food still. Aramo kwane ilu ako bana komanko and mirluak ta jamana.
So, yen
Ginma mene in
Ana ye alwa.
in ye meluak ta jamana. Yes, and ginati mer ano.
Mer mama.
Of course. That's the point. Piara benana we dagona we. Dagona petem tu ke dagona. Ka dagona ino doktor. Pian angiu ngoma dagona timu bora. Dagona wara
No,
therapy
the thing
work.
is, in a way,
Gam baketo
Fred.
nyota jamana. You get the point. Nana we.
Ka daro matigi chawa tim. Ka ipegi chawa pe werla chomo di ka timone. Just that. We are all tired in this world. We have a lot of shit going on.
Anatamni, this is the only.
watigi lutian mo mier bene wa luok bungi gi watikono gi ngagi la cho bene mire riem kora riema gi ngagi loke weng duata it's all over the women
ingeni tim mon mo kene tie bela mon mo kene tie
you should just understand
housemaid gu loke gu chako timo gini eono an weko ku ber chane cho mo kene gu loke kom joma bien ka gwako
en housemaid mo chako ma chwala wor kom ber chane ma kenyo katpe duata
o chako loko tajama ko
duata
chako ter pi
loko tajama tie housemaid mo le chwala wor dugu ugiro loko tajama be tie
ineno na aneno ni ikinji mo kene kare dongene bokele ni ang matude ikinji mo kene ma wero mon me kin kare they will not tigleb me pego be very odd for the rest of their life.
That's a lie.
Because of Jim Mati and Mati Lock. We want to see what Jim Madam. If you fail to Timo Jim Mati and Mati Lock, and of course, yes, Chalwaka Tajama Nagini. Only in one show, we always have a meeting in our mind, like every time. Dagna maram karli mi ko. Dagna maram nyum ne.
Dagna ikin cho luwur kam.
Yo, wo boko ni. Pen wa ne dagna ba. Dago ene we. Ay nyum chot. And the reason why abe nyum chote therapy work gamba keto nyota jama now you get the point.
For another reason.
No. Madam maybe intimate is staying there. You're talking about.
What the locomotion we? Of course if you want to stay with me.
No, so what if
are you single or you married? I'm sorry to ask this.
Anyway,
local chat.
Comment section. What you can know?
Gian mabe waje ber ma check. Won mon mauti winyu wa wa kono. We in ba ibe daga makwiri, kompi wa daga makwiri. Nani timu tichiki kome. Tichi ye mena ni initeri rapi luak. Aluak ko mama leng. Icher gam bakat lako. Idugo chen. An awe ko tajama na kuno eni cher gamba kedi nyongo maleng idugi moto
jo timo ko ritichi duan tabe pege nyomo gi wai chane. I'm not discouraging anybody me timo ne kai tiki kar tim okay if you have the time to twile about mon magiti aberu gang okay I give you time to talk and me cha me log we are concluding because I think we are done with this topic.
But I'll give you time. Ian Martinanwa, we have what Mamigi in the comment section. Kay no ni mono pore. In this 21st century, I can no what in your mono. Can end in that therapy. Gwaki la dir mamigi, Oluakeo, Wakodak Besen, Pono Bucket Gig, and Moking, a loco mono, Luako boxa maling. Kun a man could do that. We have what Mamigi, money comment section. A Conobella, Lokimia Gike.
An pabe bara gera ki loka manane anti wajo ne ene wan po beru pi pacho okay machal wan mon kay chero ganga chuari gi niang kit makunu niang kit chuari gen ma ini ramate mane ki gena pe ramate ne ikare don wan tigi duan machal wan mon ma don kay ne la cho ke le lori wi mecha ini be mi duani bene wache o bene yo mabe wa an ba won boy
Okay, Bella, for the trouble, I can't tell me again.
Yeah, for Susan. Well, look, my Paul. But I get a mere white knee. Kind and any dow. My day chair, gangi. Yeni carne, take it twelve per montier. Pedon call money, my young marketer, what I'll goody. Man no peg a year, what tam work, a meal, calacho, me, don't rock chane, lobby, de loba lobani. Okay? Alego ni kati gino mo mabidini gangi beki kero me wajane mbatuari. Chamu kiana no inati dako me bera gang. Itigi jati ama duong loti ana beti wa guak ot. Jimmy duong pu beneti kenyo. Omiar beneteri, omiar benetim ko. Yes, then responsibility pa mon. But bene cho omiar ngeni komwa anyone money komwa bene all. Idiwo beno service mo kiana tima miate. Mano kacha la chodong maniang utiano kay dugu kumane oloto dong ngo omir no luake dok ket chwer penchi wa choko yere way an ba won lutiano ano ni ABCD kay ramo konya kede kay dugu gang please konya iyo mamul an men pa miane ata dan bet kay yenge en pilok me luaka jam ke ngagini no talk to your husband in a polite way potela tela la choma dek niang no dong perti wa chan ki ya dam Because tell me why you will not understand the woman. Mano watching Omerikonya A B C D doing a simple things. And benegin mano kwakum in lacho. Gin makwara come in. We are not going to judge even a man who is going to cook. We are not going to judge. Kakernitie in dagama in la teach. You know kar weekend in mano ipe kiti jatima. Uluak bon kachel ka dong tino agree ni. Waluako ana luako inogo. Ana luako ka dong bene wa ini luako wa mega luako wa tajama na wen machala.
Bella foy bella
Machala
foy.
andaro.
Bella
Ti anong agoy ba wen tabiat chaka wa chaka ko manyam. Date for tat. Let's do that. As
Well,
long as we need here what team Jimmy wing marom.
Kafe mier pie camera. Kafe ya nong Tammy mi ageke.
Yak pa me lok wa badwong ba. Pen ka wa chako be cha. Wa chako ba nyan. Ni ewe ka dong be luak ba ka chel. Ke luak ka chel an ba me luak kwa ta Germany.
Iluako do.
What is wrong with my tajama if I can wash yours?
Ilunyo pingo ke.
Is it my responsibility?
Ilunyo pingo ke
It's part of my-
No. Mana pay no mama I look at tajama.
No.
Yes.
Ilunyo e.
Answer me. Mano infurity will be matireni. Who was doing that
Hello.
for you?
Ilunyo
Talk to
e.
me. Who was doing it for you?
Ewe yini tu.
Ilunyo e.
Jamu tena bene
Tajama.
boarding school.
Pa, dama
Anga
ni.
mo pero kaluok. A well-raised mannered boy will do all
Kafe
these
Tammy mi
things.
ageke.
Mama
Man.
no be whining and matel mama
Dok
and
matie
parang
ye.
tuna, Tim.
Ani ang bela akwanya ke wang kamera ka kero ping ka punyo mati bad watwe ka kan mon ulok meta jama chigam mer bagat wak ma meta nyim very simple to understand wak lok ma pol bet
Come on, baby.
En kimano o ya gekne Kit Mon Kicho ambede Susan Diamond.